NBC4's Patrick Healy monitored this afternoon's briefings for us, and he joins us now live. Patrick.
Colin and Caroline, for the first time, LA County counted more than 3,000 new COVID cases over a 24-hour period over this past weekend. If nothing else, today's briefing was intended to be a reality check and a renewed call to action. The number of people tested for COVID varies from day to day, but what has been consistent in recent weeks is the increasing percentage found to be infected with the virus, statewide and here in Los Angeles County, averaging 10% over the past week.
Cases are surging, hospitalizations are increasing, and mostly this is all a reflection of a lot more community spread.
It prompted an impassioned plea from the public health director to the county's 10 million souls to return to how they flattened the curve of COVID spread in spring. She cited a USC survey that found the number of Angelenos staying safer at home has dropped from 86 to 58%.
We've had a lot of people disregard the very practices that allowed us to slow the spread. And unfortunately, this cannot continue.
For the first time Saturday, LA County counted more than 3,000 new cases in one day. The total now over 116,000. A graph showing the growth of cases among adults 18 to 65.
What we do now will determine where we are in 3 to 4 weeks.
So what about enforcement after a holiday weekend in which beach closures were largely observed, but many could not resist group barbecues or fireworks parties? Ferrer said county inspectors cited a handful of restaurants for indoor dining. Governor Newsom said state inspectors issued 52 citations and again reminded counties that $2.5 billion in funding requires insisting on face covering, among other COVID rules.
I think it's just about education, it's about more encouragement, and yes, more targeted enforcement.
Neither the governor nor public health talked about any further rollbacks going back to the way we were, but they emphasized that we need to follow these certain rules. And public health, in fact, repeated their new saying of the 3 C's to be avoided: crowds, confined spaces, and close contact. Reporting live, Patrick Healy, NBC4 News.